All right, so I'm at my listing here on the 216 Plains Road West in the Aldershot, and behind me you'll see these buildings. This is an amazing location. There are just 6 buildings here, each with, as you can see on the back of me, each building just 4 floors, just very conveniently located. This area is very close to the LaSalle Park, Burlington Golf and Country Club. The highway access is not too far. And the great thing about these buildings with just 4 floors, if you're tired of high-rise buildings where you are waiting for your elevators, for example, forever, these small units, these nice boutique condo style will be a perfect setting for you. In the middle of this complex right behind me is their clubhouse. It's a great place for people to gather, group together. A lot of unit holders here are seniors, and in fact, if you are downsizing and looking for a quiet place, I would say this is your #1 spot. Each building have their own parking garage underneath, not like stacked of parking spots, but rather small space, one level, and you can easily come in and out, for example, from this garage right behind me. So the unit that I'm talking about is in this building right behind me, and it's a super quiet building all the way at the back. You know, as you can see, a lot of greeneries here, and I'm just walking you through this building. So walking in here, I just love how peaceful it is. It's not one of those massive buildings with people coming in and out 24/7. It's a low-key, quiet, perfect if you're looking to downsize or just want some peace and privacy. As I walk into the building, fewer units means the elevators are right here, available for you whenever you need it, as opposed to a 10-story high-rise building that might have elevators, long waiting time. Look at it, I press the button and here I am. I can take this elevator to the floor. All right, so we are inside and the hallway, and the unit is way at the back. It's a corner unit. It's a massive big one with lots of light. So we're inside now. This is unit B309. It's a very large unit. And as I walk through it, yes, look at it, the brightness. You can just feel it. You got the big balcony door there. Then you've got another window. Then you got windows on the kitchen side, on the dining area. It's just what I want to call as a bungalow on sky. It is big, massive. I love this layout because the kitchen is on that side and you have this entire space for yourself, and it's definitely feels much larger. So now I'm going into the primary bedroom area. It's massive, big windows here. Then you also have a walk-in closet inside, and then you have your own private bathroom right there. If I'm standing here, you can just imagine the size of this room. It's huge. And yes, it's pink. If you don't like pink, no problem. Paint it whatever color you want. Yes, it's original, but here is the upside. Everything is functional and the way it is. Why pay more for someone else's 10-year-old kitchen when you can build your own from the scratch and still come out ahead? That's the value that I see in this unit. The kitchen, when you walk out, you have a room #1 right here. It's a large room, deep room, and yes, the carpet is old, but you can always make it your own. You can put a hardwood, no problem. And then you have right outside of this a nice big size bathroom, and again, everything is functional here. Favorite part, this large utility room along with your laundry, washer and dryer, and look at it. So when you walk inside the foyer, it's actually wide, okay? It's wide, and this is sort of how you come inside your living area. Look at the lights, look at the size, fabulous. Then you have your dining space area right here as well. Look at it, okay? This is bungalow, in the sky. Let's talk numbers for a second. There are other units here listed at $699. Similar size, but we are much superior in our price. Same building, similar layout, and if you ask me, they don't look that much different. Some of them have same older finishes too. They just dressed up a little. Here, you're not paying for someone else's taste. You're buying the space, the light, the location, and you've got room to make it your own. If you are a smart buyer, this is your move. As I'm leaving this unit, I want to say this. It's very quiet here. You can't even hear anything because back in 1999, they used to build this, even though they were low-rise, 4-story only, they still made it with concrete. See the floor? You can't hear anything up, you can't hear down. It's a concrete building, quiet, it almost echoes inside here. So if you like quietness, no other units disturbing you up or down, this one is for you. As I'm leaving, exiting this building, tell me something. What do you think about buying a unit, for example, if you are in the condo market, something that's older that you can make it your own? Do you like that idea? If you like it, put it in the comments. The beauty of only 4-story, I press the button and the elevator is already here. And that's right, this unit comes with a garage, and look at the convenience. I came out of the elevator, I opened the door, and this empty spot right here is for this unit. So convenient, you come out, the elevator is right there. And then behind here is what you have, your storage room, and this unit has a large, extra large storage. It's amazing. And if you like walking, okay, and just go for just a little walk, you can just walk right here inside the complex. As you can hear, a lot of birds chirping. Look at the grass. It's so nice and well maintained that it's just makes sense. So if your wheels are turning, call me at 647-818-7373. I'll also put a link in the description or on a pinned comments. Check out this listing for yourself. Let's book an appointment. Let's get you in here.